Team Soliman! Finally! Pupunta kami sa concert ni Chris Tomlin. Actually, si Ma'am ang may kilala sa kanya. Siya sa may First Alliance Church.
Day and night, they never stop saying, Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. It says that we lift our hands to a lot of things in this world, but there's only one who is worthy of all praise. There's only one name above every name.
Ayan po, Team Soliman! Finally, nakita na namin siya dito sa Costco.
And it's me!
Kapit-bahay lang.
Kapit-bahay lang. Nice to meet you po. Sige po, salamat.
Look, 11,999.99 cents?
It's mahal, yeah.
That's massive mahal, right?
Massive mahal. Nakakatawa talaga tong batang to. Hanap tayo nung chips na turtle chips. Mukhang dito yung turtle chips.
Yeah, turtle.
Turtle.
We're buying so many items.
Not a lot.
Because you think,
Ano yun?
we're...
Ano yun? May nakita akong something. Baked wheat cake. Nakaiba. Mukhang Korean ulit siya. Baked wheat cake. Yeah, we bought it in Korea. Okay din to. Yung chocolate sa taas, tinapay sa baba. Nung pumunta kami sa Korea last year ni Kian.
Here.
Masarap ba to?
It's not heavy.
Milk flavor tsaka chocolate. Ayos oh, kakaiba to. Sabi ko, oh, you grab some. Thank you po. Ayun, nakasample pa siya. Oh, let's go, come here. Good? Ayan, naabangan nito eh, no? Oh. Ipapakita pala ako sa inyo. It's chicken strips.
Chicken strip.
Ipapakita ako parang may naghahaul na ano dun eh. For Halloween na decoration sila. Ito oh, ang galing. Yung sa right nakita na namin skeleton. Pero bago yung ano na yan. Ano ba to? Ang galing, ang laki. Ayan siya kalaki oh. Ginom ko lang. May mga items din dito na wala sa ano eh. Wala sa kabilang Costco. Iba-iba. Kuha kong chips si Kian.
It's a gluten-free multigrain chips. Price is just $8.99. You'll get more than 800 grams.
Thank you. Here you go, bebe. Nakadalawa yung batang makulit. Let's go. Ayun, turtle chips, bebe. Ba, may ketchup pala na Cheetos flavor.
Mommy,
At saka cheeseburger. Oh. Cheeseburger. I mean, burger flavor. Ah, tama. Cheeseburger. Ang lasa nito. Cheeseburger. Just wait. Let's go get turtle chips, bebe. Ito yung ang agenda lang namin. Ito tsaka tong off lotion sana. Dagdagan ng made good. May nakita pala ako dun. May iba ng flavor pala ang popcorners. All dressed. I mean, may cheese tsaka iba pa. Pero ngayon lang ako nakakita sa Costco na ibang flavor ng popcorners aside sa ano lang, regular yung pula. Nakakaaliw. May mga wala dun. Usually dun kami sa Cross Iron kasi nabili. Pero meron din mga wala pala doon na meron dito. Kaya no, turkey sausage. You want some?
Turkey. Yum.
Thank you. Here.
I don't like it.
I wanna try one too.
This one, no. Not this.
Oh, throw it here, please. Thank you. Turkey sausage, yeah?
Yum.
Can you throw it here, Bebe? Let's go.
Yeah.
Try din ako. Turkey sausage. Okay lang. Acquired taste siguro yan. Hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Sige na. Kami ay aalis na. At baka mapasubo na naman ano na naman madampot ko. Pero ito, ay! Ito kasi is naka-sale. Eh gusto ni Kian to. Maasim-asim to. Fruits kasi sila. Hindi alis na kami. Bago pa kami mapasubo.
Hi.
Yummy. Tara, let's go. Checkout time. May ganito pero parang wala din to dun sa kabilang Costco. $20.
Mommy.
Kahit ito. Yeah?
Look at this.
Hmm.
Look at this, Mommy.
Oh, you're tired na? Nawawa naman. Check out na tayo, then go home. Nasa kotse si Mamsi, hindi na sumama. Hindi kasi kami laging napunta dito sa branch na to kasi ang hirap talaga ng parking dito. Tsaka sobrang daming tao.
Look at this.
O tara na, we're gonna do self-checkout na. Then we're going home. Makatatlo pang free taste si Kian eh. Tsaka naka-encounter na ako ng masungit kasi dito. Kaya parang hindi ko na bet na punta sa branch na to. Madaming mababait doon sa Cross Iron every time. Kaya after nun, di na ako pumunta eh. Oh, Bebe, oh, last one. Do you wanna get one?
It's fruit and snacks.
Fruit snack, thank you. Oh, you go grab it. Fruit snacks.
It's not fruit and snacks. It's a trail mix.
Trail mix. Okay, with peanuts, yeah. Thank you. You say thank you.
Thank you.
Ah, tara, let's go. Self-checkout. Ayan. May pila pero mukhang mabilis naman. Okay. Hindi na bumaba si Mamsi kasi sabi namin mabilis lang. Like it?
Several long days later.
Hi guys, kumusta kayong lahat? So ngayon pupunta kami sa concert ni Chris Tomlin. Actually si Mamsi ang may kilala sa kanya. Ano siya, dito siya sa may First Alliance Church. Di na rin ako nakapag vlog nung papunta kami dito. Doon nagmamadali kami. Halos 35 minutes away. Dito to sa south eh. Kaya medyo malayo siya sa amin. So ayan, isama ko kayo. Nagpark na halos yung mga tao dito sa daan. Ginaya lang namin sila. Masagasaan pa kami. Daming mga sasakyan. Mga papunta. Doon na lang siguro kami dadaan. So, ang daming mga sasakyan naka-park dito sa daan. Sa daan na lahat eh. Daming sasakyan kasi baka puno na dun sa may loob mismo ng First Alliance Church. So, ayan. First time nating mag-attend ng concert. Sa Ticketmaster kami kumuha ng ticket dito. Pangarap daw to ni Mamsi. So, ayan. First concert sa Calgary. Parang good, ano rin to 10-minute walk. Kaya lang, tignan nyo naman yung mga kotse, oh. Dami na nakapark sa daan. Buti nga, hindi to parang, ano ba to? Sa liblib siya, sa mga business center. No, kaya madaming parking, di ba? That's good. Tsaka free parking pati. Sa curb, no. Natanong ko kasi si Mamsi dun sa parking ko kung malapit ba sa curb. Kasi nga natiketan na ako sa may curb. Sa Winnipeg. So, hopefully not. Tignan natin pagbalik kung may ticket tayo. Char. Ayan. Follow natin yung crowd. Ito na. Southeast to. 40th Street, Southeast. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Arrange seating naman eh. Kasi nga may bayad. So, we're not worried na wala kaming seat. Ayan. Linya muna tayo. Ay, ayan. Linya muna tayo. Nasa phone ko. Ticketmaster. Okay, pasok na tayo. Yan pwede ba dito? Ay. Pwede na mag-line up dun. General admission. Masaguli mo pakabilis. Kanto ng Kulapa. VIP ito eh. Okay, hanapin muna natin. Ito palang loob ng church na to. Gusto mo munang umihi? Ayan hindi. Ayun. Family washroom. Ayan, may merch. Holy Forever World Tour. Yung palang pangalan yun. Awa. Ako din. Yeah, me too.
So I'd walk around the house. It was a prayer for my wife, and also felt like the Lord singing this over us. It's really simple. Hold on, love. Things are gonna get better. Things are gonna get better. I know it's hard. Hold on, love. Things are gonna get better. Things are gonna get better. I know they are. So anytime I'd start to feel like the anxiousness of life kind of creep up, or the drama swirls start going again, I just sing that. Really simple. Try this with me. Hold on, love. Things are gonna get better. Things are gonna get better. I know it's hard. You know what started to get better as I sang that? Nothing. Nothing in my life actually changed. Still, the drama swirls would kick up. All my problems didn't, believe it or not, magically disappear when I sang the right things, But what it did is it gave me like a heart just set in the right direction in the middle of all of it. You know what I mean? I think sometimes that's the most powerful thing, not that the circumstance necessarily changes, I hope it does. It's the way we set our hearts in the middle of it. This is called Sparrows and Lilies, just a reminder not to worry about tomorrow. He knows what we need. He knows you got bills to pay. He knows that we don't live on bread alone, but every word that comes from His mouth, our identity found in what He says about us. So brother, lay your head down. Sister, don't you know we don't rest in word. Troubles come and troubles go. I have seen the sparrow, I have watched him fly. There is no one like you. There is none beside you. So beautiful. Thank you for having me. Have an amazing night. Come on, y'all, clap it! You gotta
singing it. When you're asleep tonight, they'll be singing it. When you wake up in the morning, they'll be singing it. It never ends. It's a song of heaven. Can you imagine the sound of heaven one day, of every tribe, every nation, every language, every color of skin, everyone who's ever put their faith in Jesus before us, everyone who'll ever come after us? Can you imagine the sound around the throne of God? Holy, holy, holy. He is worthy. We're going to sing this together. I've been waiting all day to sing this with you. And we're going to sing this together. Before we do, I want to read this to you. These are not my words. This is God's word. I just want to remind us of who we sing to tonight. God raised him from death and set him on the throne in deep heaven, in charge of running the universe. Everything from galaxies to governments. No name and no power exempt from his rule. And not just for the time being, but forever. He is in charge of it all, has the final word on everything. At the center of all this, Christ rules the church. The church, you see, is not peripheral to the world. The world is peripheral to the church.
So, meron nga, bumalik yata. Ayan, alis na kami. Nagsigawan yung mga tao at mukhang, thank you! Mukhang, babalik pa si Chris Tomlin. Kaya lang, malis na kami kasi traffic. Na? Na-video ko. Si Chris. Ayan o, may happy kid. Happy kid. Tagal nang gusto ni Ma'am Sing panoorin siya. Si Chris Tomlin. Ayan yung nakita niya. Nagpabook siya agad sa amin. Lamig guys. Hindi ko alam ilang degrees. Feeling ko babalik si Chris Tomlin, Ma'am C.
Oo, babalik yun.
Oo nga.
Magkakanta kami sa...
Pero madami na kaming naglabasan dahil sobrang daming tao. Yung sigawan ba sa labas? Sa loob yan? Akala ko naririnig yung sigawan sa loob.
Kaya nata, kami ay...
Hindi, magpo-fall na soon. Ang lumig nga naman kasi guys. Ayan. Request granted kay Ma'am C. Tagal na niyang gusto yan. Kailan pa nabook yan? 2 months ago, no? Ang tagal na. So, swerte si Ma'am C. Off. Hindi. Nag-work ako kanina. Pero off ko today na. Sakto ka, Ma'am C, na pagbigyan. So, uwian na kami. Punong-puno pala yung, yung sa loob. Hindi na rin ako nakapag-vlog masyado. Baka nga makaka-copyright yung mga nirecord kong kanta, feeling ko. Kasi original songs ni Chris Tomlin yun. Ngayon ko lang siya nakilala. Mas kilala ko yung, Casting Crowns. Alright, nanginginig na ako. Mag-jacket muna tayo. Hi guys! Pauwi na kami ni Ma'am C. So, ayun, mga 33 minutes away pa to sa amin. From southeast, northwest kasi kami. Di pa masyadong traffic. Mamaya sabay-sabay na maglalabasan yung mga tao. 9:30. Dumating kami doon ng 7 PM. Ayun, medyo madilim na rin kasi. Tsaka ang lamig. Ilan degrees? 15 lang. 15 lang, Ma'am C.
Malamig.
Buti may dala si Ma'am na double jacket. Kundi.
Please akong pants.
Nag-fleece ka? Buti na lang. Pero sa loob ng concert, nung sa church, mainit. Paglabas mo, ang lamig. Ayun, sana na-enjoy niyo yung vlog na na-share ko ngayon. And salamat sa mga nanood sa video na to hanggang sa huli. And we'll see you in our next one. Bye! Kahit di nyo ako makita. Bye!